The internet has revolutionized our world, connecting people and information like never before. But this digital age has also given rise to a new breed of criminal, the cybercriminal. These tech-savvy individuals exploit the internet for illegal activities, from stealing sensitive data to disrupting critical infrastructure. Thankfully, a specialized field has emerged to combat these digital threats: digital forensics. Digital forensics is the science of investigating and analyzing digital evidence to uncover and prosecute cybercrime. Think of it as the digital equivalent of traditional detective work, where experts use sophisticated tools and techniques to track down criminals in the vast expanse of cyberspace. As cybercrime becomes increasingly complex and prevalent, digital forensics plays a vital role in maintaining justice and security in our digital world. Just like traditional detectives rely on fingerprints and DNA, digital forensic investigators rely on digital footprints left behind by cybercriminals. These footprints can be found on computers, smartphones, servers, and even cloud storage, any device or platform connected to the internet. By carefully collecting, preserving, and analyzing this digital evidence, investigators can piece together the events of a cybercrime and identify those responsible. The field of digital forensics is constantly evolving as technology advances and cybercriminals devise new tactics. This constant game of cat and mouse requires digital forensic experts to stay one step ahead, continually honing their skills and adopting cutting-edge techniques to effectively combat cybercrime. Digital forensic investigators employ a variety of techniques to uncover the truth behind cybercrimes. These techniques are designed to recover hidden or deleted data, analyze user activities, and understand the tools and methods used by cybercriminals. Let's delve into some of the key techniques used in digital forensics. Data recovery is a crucial aspect of digital forensics, as cybercriminals often try to hide their tracks by deleting files or formatting storage devices. However, deleting a file doesn't necessarily erase it completely. Digital forensic tools can recover deleted files from hard drives, USB drives, memory cards, and other storage media. By piecing together these fragments of data, investigators can reconstruct deleted files and uncover valuable evidence. Log analysis is another important technique used to track cybercriminal activities. Logs are records of events that occur on a computer system or network. By analyzing these logs, investigators can create a timeline of events, identify suspicious activities, and trace the source of an attack. These logs provide valuable insights into the attacker's methods and movements. Malware dissection involves analyzing malicious software to understand its functionality, purpose, and origin. By reverse engineering malware, investigators can identify the attacker's goals, uncover the techniques used to create the malware, and develop countermeasures to prevent future attacks. This analysis helps protect potential victims and dismantle criminal operations. These techniques, along with many others, equip digital forensic investigators with the tools they need to unravel even the most sophisticated cybercrimes. By combining technical expertise with analytical skills, these digital detectives play a crucial role in bringing cybercriminals to justice. Digital evidence is extremely fragile and can be easily altered or destroyed, rendering it inadmissible in court. Therefore, maintaining the integrity of digital evidence throughout the investigation is paramount. Digital forensic investigators must follow strict procedures to ensure that evidence is collected, preserved, and analyzed in a forensically sound manner. The chain of custody, which documents the handling of evidence from the moment it is collected to its presentation in court, must be meticulously maintained. Any gaps or inconsistencies in the chain of custody can raise doubts about the evidence's authenticity and jeopardize the entire case. Furthermore, digital forensic investigations must adhere to legal and ethical standards. Investigators must obtain proper authorization, such as search warrants, before accessing and seizing digital devices. Privacy rights must be respected, and investigators must only access data that is relevant to the investigation. Failure to follow these principles can result in legal challenges, dismissed cases, and damage to the reputation of the investigators and their agencies. Ethical considerations are equally important, as investigators must balance the pursuit of justice with the need to protect individuals' privacy and rights. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, so too will the challenges faced by digital forensic investigators. Cybercriminals will continue to develop new and sophisticated methods to carry out their attacks, forcing investigators to constantly adapt and innovate. The future of digital forensics will likely involve a greater emphasis on automation, artificial intelligence, and collaboration. Automated tools will become increasingly important for handling the ever-growing volume of digital evidence, while AI and machine learning can help investigators analyze data more efficiently and identify patterns that might not be apparent to human analysts. Collaboration between law enforcement agencies, private companies, and international partners will be crucial for sharing information, coordinating investigations, and bringing cybercriminals to justice across borders. Despite these challenges, digital forensics will remain an indispensable tool in the fight against cybercrime. By embracing new technologies, fostering collaboration, and upholding the highest ethical standards, digital forensic investigators will continue to play a vital role in maintaining a secure and just digital world.